Hello students, welcome to all of you in bio classes. Students, today's topic is tendons and ligaments. Tendons and ligaments, the areolar connective tissue. As you know that the connective tissue has been divided in four parts: areolar connective tissue, adipose, skeletal and fluid connective tissue. The main function of connective tissue is to connect various parts of the bodies from each other. So they work as a cementing material for the body. Now areolar connective tissue has some specifications. Here two types of connective tissues are there. First, loose areolar connective tissue, and second is dense areolar connective tissue. About loose areolar connective tissue we will talk in next separate video, but today we are going to talk about the dense connective tissue. All the connective tissue has a property. They are made up of two parts. First, matrix, and second, cells which are suspended in matrix. Matrix and cells. So here the two types of dense areolar connective is there. First is tendons and second is ligaments. Now we will talk about one by one. First, tendons. They take part in joining bone to muscle. Bone to muscle. All the muscles which are joined to bones are skeletal muscle, and these muscles are joined by two minute parts which are very hard and very tightly arranged, are known as tendons. So they take part in joining bones to muscles. These are muscles, skeletal muscles. As they are attached to skeleton, so they are called skeletal muscles or striated muscles or stripped muscles or voluntary muscles. So these are tendons which joins muscle to bone. Here they are called dense areolar, because apart from cells and matrix there is present fibers also. Due to presence of fibers, they are dense in nature. Now the cells are called here fibroblast, cells, and the fibers are white collagen fiber. Both are parallelly arranged in matrix. Both are parallelly arranged in one line, second line, one line, second line. They are parallelly arranged in matrix. So they provide strength to the cell. Making the tendons hard in nature. Tendons are tough and non-elastic. They are not elastic, so they take part in lifting heavy weights and do not stretch. If you stretch and some problem is there, sometimes after having heavy load, due to heavy lifting of load, sometimes your tendons becomes stretched and you feel pain in your joining parts. So this is known as strain. Sometimes due to heavy lifting of weight, you feel pain because of strain. So the pain on stretching of tendons are known as strain. Right? So we have learned here that tendons are responsible for joining muscle to the bone, and they are made up of white collagen fiber, fibroblast and matrix. Right? They take part to provide strength to the body, and they are tough and non-elastic. Now the second one. Ligaments. What are ligaments? They take part in joining bone to bone. They take part in joining two bones to bones. So they are called ligaments, and because of them, the movement takes place. Made up of yellow elastin fiber. Cells, that is fibroblast, and cells and fibers are haphazardly arranged in matrix. So cells and fibers are haphazardly arranged, not like this, where parallelly arranged. So they are haphazardly arranged, and they provide elasticity to the muscle. Unlike tendons, they are not tough and rigid, but they are elastic so as to we can move our hands, our legs, our other body parts. If they are tough in nature, we will be unable to move our hands. So they are loose and elastic in nature. Now, if they are stretched, you feel again heavy pain. Generally, when you move on an uneven flat surface, your legs and your movements becomes high and low. So due to which your legs becomes stretched, the ligaments of your legs becomes stretched and you feel heavy pain, and this pain is because of sprain. So the pain in the stretch, pain after stretching of tendons is known as a strain, and the pain after stretching in ligaments is known as sprain. Right? And the last point, provide flexibility to the body parts. So now we can compare one by one. What are the differences between tendons and ligaments? So here tendon and here ligaments. Made up of take part in joining bone to muscle. Here bone to bone. Tough and rigid. Soft and elastic. White collagen fiber and cells and fibroblast cells are parallelly arranged. Yellow elastin fiber and fibroblast haphazardly arranged. Provide strength, provide flexibility, on stretching strain is caused, on stretching sprain is caused. Right? I think this is all about for your course and for your knowledge. So thanks for joining the class. Thank you very much.